Hello everyone, how are you all doing? How was your weekend? Oh, thank you. Thank you for asking. I'm doing good too. Okay, so let's get started with today's class. Before I tell you what's up for today's class, I would like to ask you something. So, people tell me, what do you know about plants? Student A? Yes, I can see the chat box flooding up with so many texts. Student A has to say that plants do not locomote, they do not carry out locomotion, and they have root stems, leaves. Student B, what do you have to say? Yes, they carry out the process of photosynthesis. You are right, and that's exactly what we're gonna be learning today. And that leads me to a really, really important question. Let me just share my screen first, and I'll be sharing this link with you on the chat box. People, please pay close attention. I am pasting this link on the chat box for all of you to join this new pod lesson. And here we go. Here we all are. Why is photosynthesis essential to life on Earth? This is a question we are all going to be discussing here on face to face. We are not going to another slide where you are going to type your answers. So, student C, why do you think is photosynthesis essential to life on Earth? Yes, you're right. Photosynthesis is a due to the process of photosynthesis, we are all able to get food, and hence organisms get their food because plants carry out photosynthesis. So is it so student D, tell me, is it just herbivorous plants that are dependent on photosynthesis? Oh yes. Student D, would you like to share more and tell more to student D about why is this a no? Yes, it's just not the herbivorous animals. My bad. I'm sorry. Herbivorous animals, not the herbivorous plants. I guess I did not say it right. Herbivorous animals are not the only ones dependent on plants or photosynthesis, because other organisms which are dependent on herbivorous animals are also going to be dependent on plants, because where do herbivorous animals get nutrition from? That's plants. Okay. So student F, would you like to say something in conclusion? Yeah, basically plants rule the world. They carry out photosynthesis, and one group of animals get nutrition from it, and other group of animals which is dependent on this one also is able to get nutrition because plants give nutrition to the herbivorous animals. Okay, great thing, people. That leads us to today's class, the objectives on why is today's class being conducted, because we want to learn about what is this process of photosynthesis, what's the mystery and what's the magic happening in the leaves of the plants, and why it is essential to life. At the end of knowing everything, we'll be able to know that. And that brings us to today's lessons. What are you going to do? So in this lesson, you're going to watch a video, we're going to examine a 3D animation, and you're also going to test yourself on how does the process of photosynthesis occur. Here we go. Let's get started. Are you all ready? Okay, let's go then. So now we're going to go to a slide. I hope everybody is on the near pod. You'll require the slide. I'll require your inputs over here. I'm going to put you all into uh, pairs and groups so that you can discuss about this question. Imagine if all the plants on our planet were destroyed tomorrow. What do you think is going to happen? What would you, and why? So we are going to go into the breakout rooms, and the pairs are going to discuss and write their answers down in the open end question segment, and I need all of your insights. Yes, please give all of your insights. At the end of 5 minutes, you have 5 minutes to discuss. Let's go. Okay, students, 5 minutes have ended. And I have received all of your inputs. Thank you so very much. I hope it was uh, it helped you provide a certain aspect and a certain idea. Let's discuss just one idea. I would like one pair to come and discuss. To please come forth and discuss this. Student F and student G. Yes. Yes, life on Earth, if there is no photosynthesis, life on Earth would not exist. That's what this pair has to say. And I'm excited to see all of your answers. I'm going to get a report and we're going to discuss more about it in the upcoming class. This brings you to the actual process of photosynthesis. And here we are going to first examine a 3D animation. Photosynthesis, remember people, photosynthesis happens in the leaves, and we are going to watch a 3D animation on the photosynthesis that happens in the leaf. Keep watching it. I'm going to change some colors for you so that we can observe it really carefully. Keep observing this. It's on your Neopod lesson. You can change your colors and your background color and your text. You can also watch it on my screen. Okay, we're gonna discuss. You had 3 minutes to observe, and now we're gonna discuss on what's gonna happen. Student A, could you tell me where the guard cells are? Yes, here we go. What's happening at the guard cells? Student B, the carbon dioxide enters through the guard cells. What is xylem and phloem, student C? Exactly. Water and nutrition is conducted through xylem and phloem. We can very well see it in the colors blue and pink. Student D, I would like you to tell me what's a vascular bundle. The entire group of xylem and phloem and some other vessels which work together. Yeah, very good. Okay. Could you locate mesophyll cells? Student F, could you tell me what do mesophyll cells do? Very important, very good. It has chloroplast in it. And the mesophyll cells, which would majorly have chloroplast in it, and chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll helps in the process of photosynthesis. And what do light particles do, student A? Exactly, they are required for the process of photosynthesis to happen. That's how the water is going to break, and the carbon dioxide at the end of it is going to convert into carbohydrate. Also, you can see oxygen being released at the end of it. Amazing work, people. Amazing work. We are now going to go ahead and watch a video. So I'm all going to I want all the eyes on my screen. Please go ahead and make sure that you are watching the screen that I'm sharing on Zoom. Come out of the Neopod class for 3 minutes. We're going to watch this video and then we're going to go back and note down our insights on what do we think has happened in the process of photosynthesis. Here we go, people. So at the end of 3 minutes, we have known what is the process of photosynthesis. And one last thing that we're going to do is go ahead and describe what is happening during the process of photosynthesis, people. Write down, draw whatever you know about it, and I want your answers right away. Ooh, amazing. I could see some drawings coming out where carbon dioxide and water is interacting and we have oxygen towards the end. Okay, good thing. Some people have already started understanding it really, really well. So class, that was all about the process of photosynthesis that happens in the leaves of the plants. Carbon dioxide is taken in through the guard cells. With the help of light, the carbon dioxide is converted into glucose or carbohydrate, and oxygen is released. Water is really essential. Without water, also the process of photosynthesis cannot occur. We are going to dive deeply into it in the upcoming classes. For now, I bid you goodbye. Bye bye.